Hi there, Automotive Control in Avonmouth. We've got a Ford Transit Custom fitted with reverse camera, all running through the Kenwood DMX 8021 DAB-S, as you can see here. So this unit will give you wireless Android Auto, wireless CarPlay, digital radio, Bluetooth, etc. So in this installation, we've retained the steering wheel controls, we've retained the parking optics on the original screen, along with the reverse camera we just fitted. We also did the Kenwood dash camera, which is the N520 here. And the good thing about this one is if you press the camera button, you can flick between the front camera and the rear camera, so great for parking. You can then turn it off there, turn the original optics off. So units in stock, got a 3-year warranty on it. Give us a call, 0179 08 0708. Thank you.